Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedrian. Now, Buju Banton represented for Jamaica at BET's Saving Ourselves concert. Banton took his humanitarian efforts overseas, giving a riveting virtual performance last night at BET's COVID-19 relief effort concert dubbed Saving Ourselves. Alongside producer Stephen Lenky Marsden on piano, Buju performed his song All Will Be Fine from his 2003 Grammy-nominated album Friends for Life.
Senses of rising again seem hollow. Doubts may be in your mind. Oh, give it time, and all will be fine. Seems you cannot make it, but you can. Though the roads may be winding and long.
The Trust DJ was the only Jamaican performer billed for the event, which also featured performances from Usher, Alicia Keys, LMA, amongst others. The online concert, which streamed on BET's YouTube page, is intended to assist people of color who are most impacted by the coronavirus. Now to news overseas, where Jennifer Lopez is being sued for posting a photo on Instagram. J-Lo and her production company are accused of copyright infringement by New York photographer Steve Sands, who is seeking damages of up to $150,000 and lawyer fees. The lawsuit claims that Lopez posted the photo to promote her brand on Instagram without asking the photographer Steve Sands for permission to post or even offering compensation. The photo of Lopez was taken of her in her Shades of Blue character, Harley Santas, which was posted on June 22 in 2017. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.